We are here today for the Leta Classic Golf Tournament. It's the primary fundraiser for the Leta Charitable Foundation. So we're hoping to raise a lot of money here for people who are in need of personal transportation, hopefully get them mobilized and impact their lives.
It's the vehicle that allows us to create some capital to be able to do this. We've been fortunate to have good sponsors that have allowed us to create a capital that we can make donations to some of our favorite charities.
Well, the Leta Classic is the foundation. It's the only fundraiser we do. Every partner we have, every vendor that we have comes together today, really every year, and supports us as much as they possibly can, and creates a fund for us to help as many people as we can. Our goal is to increase the number of people that we can help and hopefully the depth to which we can help them.